Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. When you working with the GitLab, you can clone a repository using HTTPS. You will be prompt for your GitLab credentials every time, even on every push or pull using HTTPS. On the other hand, SSH key lets you authenticate securely and seamlessly. No password, no hassle. In today's video, we will walk through configuration of SSH in GitLab. This is the part 5 of GitLab 0 to Hero series. Devops in Action channel is more focused on DevOps in easy way. You always found complexity and simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is Devops in Action. So let's jump to the lab without any delay. Select the part 5 and here I added some information for you guys and how it works, and you must review this authentication type HTTPS versus SSH. What is the benefit, why we use it, and all those things available here, all the details. Okay, so let's understand the architecture. As of now, from the day 1 to day 4, we used HTTP and HTTPS. We added SSL here on the day 3, and now our URL is working with the HTTPS. Now I want to set up the SSH, and for that we need to forward GitLab SSH to host 22 port, and from my PC or from anywhere we can connect through the 22 port. Okay, so before that let's start and we will see. Let me show you here, and there is one command. My GitLab server is running here, and I want to check if any 22 port is busy or not. So I connected, you can see my Proxmox server on the 2022 port. So my 22 port is free, and let's say docker ps and grep GitLab. You can see here GitLab running on the this one, GitLab CE running on the 2020 to 22 port. So we need to change this one. We need to forward 2022 to 22 to 22, right? So here is the working flow. As of now my port is running as 2020, but we need to change it. From anywhere, from the any SSH client, it go to the GitLab DNS, and after that it go to the server where GitLab CE running, right? So let's see, let's ping this one. Yes, it is going the correct server, and if not, then you need to add the host entry, and after that you need to ping and check it. Okay, so as we see already here, this command that it is running on the 2020, so we need to change it, right? So first go on the same path where we did the setup of GitLab. Okay, here, and I want to change in env. First change in env file. There is a variable GitLab SSH port. I want to change it to 22. It's done, and yes, it's done. And now confirm in the compose YML file. Maybe in your case docker compose YML. In my case this is the compose YML file. Nano compose YML. You can see here I added the env in env 22, so 22 mapped with the 22 here in this line, so it is seems okay, no need to do anything. And also I need to configuration file in the GitLab RB. So here you can see last time we did the SSL setup here, and I added some configuration, and the SMTP I did this configuration. Now I am here, so I am adding this line here, right? And GitLab configuration file, original configuration file available, let's say GitLab RB, GitLab _rb.original. The original file here, you can find out the all details, and you can copy from here only required things to save here. It's show you neat and clean configuration file. That's the reason I'm following this. And because we did the two configuration, one is the env which requires down docker down, and we require this configuration require GitLab to restart. So I am going to complete down it and re-up it. Okay, so I'm doing the down, and after docker compose down, I'm going to re-up these services. Now I am doing the re-up services, right? It's done. And one more thing, let's say if you have proper env, you have proper configuration, just you added this kind of configuration, in that case do not restart complete docker services. Instead of just reconfigure the service and restart the GitLab CTL. Okay, and after that, once you see this docker ps on the terminal, you can see it's showing to 22 to 22 map port here. Right now it seems good. Okay, so let's telnet and see it is working fine or not. Yes, it is working fine. Okay, close this one. And now let's generate the SSH key. So I'm going to the same my user path, and after that I am putting here some information. Let's say I want to put the key name to static instead of dynamic, and this is the bytes, and add some comment here. So I'm generating types of RSA, and let's go. I am not entering any password, it's blank, and just create it. This is our public key, right? So now we need to copy public key and add it in the GitLab user. So let's go to the GitLab, open GitLab and do the login. Go in the profile, and there is SSH key. So copy the SSH key from the terminal from here to here and click on add here. One more thing I want to show you again. We did last time SMTP setup. Here you can see here yeah, mail server setup, right? So, and also you can see here GitLab SMTP configuration day 4. So our SMTP is ready. So when I add here in the SSH key, in that case we get also a new mail, right? So we put the details here, and I don't want to expiry date, but you can keep it if you want, and click on the add key. Right, it's added. Now you can see the one notification here available. SSH key was added in your account, And as I showed you that we have configuration here, so we did the HTTPS, we did the SMTP configuration, we did the SSH configuration, right? So we have done almost all the things, and now we can continue to GitLab CI CD, right? So we have added the key, and now let's say I want to test that it is working fine or not with my key. Yeah, it is working fine. Okay, same output. And now I want to clone repo. So I have one repo here. Go on the repo project. I want to clone this repo. Okay, so there is two options. One is the HTTP, one is the SSH. So I want to copy and git clone and enter. You can see here there is a one error: permission denied, public key could not read the from remote repository. So can you guess what is the issue? So here is the simple issue, because in the SSH agent there is no public key. So we need to start the SSH agent and add our private key in the SSH agent, and after that list the SSH key is there or not. Okay, so our SSH key is inside the SSH agent. Now we can test again. This is before that it is working fine, but yes, we can test. And now again let's clone this one. Okay, so once you done, you can see here we did the clone and cd runner test. You can see here we are on the main branch. Okay, now we can take a pull to test it. Yes, it is working fine, and remote URL is the same. Okay, so let's close this terminal and again open terminal again and cd/tmp, and one more time I want to do the same thing. Okay, so you can see here again I will face the issue. Okay, rm-ra. You can see here again I am facing the same issue, because every time I need to start SSH agent, add these kind of things. That is not a good way. That's the reason we can add my SSH key information in the SSH config file. So open the SSH config file and add your information here. Okay, so in the new line, let's say this one, host name is this one, and file name, file path is correct, username is our root. Okay, so everything seems fine, right? Once I terminate it and open new terminal, again go in the cd/tmp, and once you do the same thing, do the same pull again here. Now it is working fine. You can see it's taken pull cd runner, and I am on the same path. So with the help of this one you can do, and also you can test like this SSH. This will work the same way and it will show you, right? So here is the some debug checklist. You can find out the based on your requirement. Okay, and that's it for this part on the SSH one, and let's that is enough for this part. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.